DJT Stock, a buy, 2nd of April and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm answering that and giving you my Trump media stock analysis and price predictions. Number one thing on the list, this is how my technical analysis looks like. I mean, you get the point. But before I get into it, how I'm bullish and how I'd approach this, before the details, I'm using my strategy that has given me thousands of wins 2023. And I'm telling you this at the beginning because it builds context and that is the truth, So, like, the only way that I would still approach this from a bullish lens is if the price gives me the rules. I'm going to just remake this. I'm waiting for my rules to be met. My rules are a simple double break, a Wyckoff accumulation approach. And only if the price gives me the rules, uh, I'm really gonna be bullish like that. Like the black line is where I really take trades and manage the trade. This is where I take the trade with the black line, but first needs to give me the pink, which is my confirmation. And if the price doesn't give me the pink, the black doesn't exist. So yeah, I mean, I'm definitely gonna wait for the rules to be met first for me to really be moving forward and just gonna chill out, focus on the thicker symbols, and that's about that, right? Not really gonna FOMO in. So for a lot more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.